Alright guys, I just want to drop this short video about where we might get stuck on this IXL with triangle inequalities. So you should have already watched the first video about how to do triangle inequalities in general, but when you get up around 75 on IXL, it starts asking questions like this. If I have the sides of 18 and 7, what's the largest possible whole number length for the third side? Now we know how to set these up, right? I'm going to add on one side, I'm going to subtract on the other. So I'm going to subtract here, I get 11. And I am going to add here, and I get 25, and I know I'm somewhere in between these two. Now notice what it's asking for. What's the largest possible whole number? What is the biggest number I can fit in between 11 and 25? Well, I can fit 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, but I can't fit 25. The largest number I can fit in here is 24. Now they might also ask what's the least possible number that would fit. And again, we do the same thing. In this case, it would be 12. It's the smallest number in between 11 and 25. So if you get stuck on questions like these, read, is it largest or smallest? And then, set it up like you normally would and just see, okay, the largest number that fits in there, that's 24. Let's go ahead and try that. Let's see if that works for us. Okay, I'm going to try 24 here. And look at that. Okay. Now you might also get questions to see if I can find one. Yeah, ones like this. Okay. Where you have a triangle with side lengths of 9, 14, and 9, and they want you to set up your inequality. Again, all we're going to do is we're going to do it like we always do it. Subtract on one side. So 14 minus 9 on one side, 14 plus 9 on the other side. And I get 23, and I get 5. And so what I'm going to type into the box here is exactly what I wrote down. I'm going to write 5. The less than sign should be next to the letter M. Okay, is less than X, is less than 23. We're just going to go ahead and try that. And there you go. Okay, so that's what those two are going to look like. Here's another largest possible whole number. Okay, so don't get freaked out by the little bit of extra reading or it looks a little bit different. I just wanted to show this video so that way if you get stuck, you have some place to go. So as always, if you have questions and this video didn't help, always shoot me an email or ask me in class.